Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Scroll down, locate and open device care, and then go to the security. Activate, and now simply to check if there are any viruses in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10, click on Scan Phone. Wait a couple of seconds, and if any of them will be detected, then you will be informed and your device will automatically delete all the dangerous viruses. And that's it. As you can see, your device is secure, so there is no need to worry, but if you will have any doubts, simply perform this scan and then you will be informed about the effects. So that's basically all. This is how you can perform a virus scan in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.